Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present the best affiliate networks that you can join. And with affiliate networks comes really great companies that you can join to and promote their products and services. Now, what is really important and based on which you should choose affiliate network? I really believe that you should join like every single one of them and then just like research things. But what they're looking for is that if they're gonna have a lot of merchants in their niche, like let's say that I'm in woodworking and I'm looking for woodworking affiliates, so that's something really important to me, then they need to be free. You shouldn't pay any money to affiliate network to join. If they ask you for money, don't join it. Then they have good customer support if you got problems with withdrawal of money, etc. Then high paying merchants. This is another thing really important because many merchants are going to give like 2%, 1%, and you don't really want to join those kind of affiliate programs. But if it's possible to join those affiliate programs, you should join them only if you're gonna like generate a lot of revenue. Therefore 1-2% are going to be great. Now, what are the good ones? The first one is impact. That's something that I'm joined to. I'm going to show you like impact has been here a really long time, and let me show you. Okay, here we are. So as you can see, I got the upcoming 120 euro. And I got few clicks here and there. I have like few relationships here with the Canva or something and Kraken. So it's getting good, like monthly it makes few bucks here and there. And I really like about the impact that it's pretty fast. And when you click here brands, you can research plenty of brands here that you can join. So it really depends on your niche. But impact is pretty good. The next one is a Characell. Characell got so many, like with the fresh books, with so many companies are using only Characell and nothing else. And I definitely recommend joining Characell. It's like top notch. All these two that I'm going to show you. The next one is a CJ affiliate. CJ affiliate is also pretty good. I got also like account here, but I have one problem with CJ affiliate, that their whole platform is a little bit oldish and not really. Let me just show you. I hope it's going to be possible to log in here. The whole website is a little bit clumsy and using it is like meh. And let me. So I don't really use it much because of this reason. But maybe you will find like a good look at this. So when you're gonna click on advertisers, it's loading so long, right? And that's what I really don't get. And then how it works and the whole system, I like different ones much more. I mean, they got also good cooperations, so that's something that I would recommend definitely for you too. The next one is Rakuten advertising. Rakuten link share. They have good interface, deep linking tools, and I recommend definitely joining Rakuten too. That would be a good choice. So yep. And the next one and the last one is the Lemonades, or how should I like read it? They have good CPA offers. That's like click per acquisition. So they're gonna get paid when someone is going to click and use it. Now they have also good payments for the PayPal, etc. And yeah. So this is something that I definitely recommend for you to use. Lemonade, Rakuten advertising, CJ affiliate, Characell, and Impact. These are, in my opinion, the best ones that you can join and just make money with. Now, if you want to create, guys, a YouTube channel, and if you want to promote like here and there publishers, you can join my mini course, which is completely for free, and I can help you like building your YouTube channel. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.